Hey gamers! In today's video, I'll show you some simple yet powerful ways to optimize your PC for gaming in 2025, so you can enjoy smoother gameplay, higher FPS, and fewer lags. Let's jump right in. 1. Update your graphics. Keeping your drivers up to date is the easiest way to boost performance. For NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience, click Drivers, and select Check for Updates. For AMD, open Radeon Software and do the same. Always restart your PC after updating. 2. Turn on game mode. In Windows 11, open Settings, Gaming, Game Mode, and make sure it's turned on. This feature gives priority to your games and reduces background tasks. 3. Use High Performance Power Plan. Go to Control Panel, Power Options, and select High Performance or Ultimate Performance. This ensures your CPU and GPU run at full power during gaming. 4. Close background apps, open Task Manager, check for heavy apps, and close anything you don't need, like browsers, Discord, or update tools. 5. Adjust in-game settings, lower shadows, anti-aliasing, and post-processing for better FPS. If your GPU supports DLSS or FSR, turn them on for smoother performance. 6. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Go to Settings, Display, Graphics, Default Graphics Settings, and enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. And that's it. By doing these quick tweaks, you'll notice faster load times, higher frame rates, and a more stable gaming experience. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.